सब्सक्राइब करो और घंटी दबाओ, नोटिफिकेशन आता।
Subscribe for more content.
मेरा ये चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे हर अपडेट आपको मिले, इसके लिए बेल आइकन जरूर दबाइएगा। आप सभी को
Welcome to day 3 of my 30 days 30 project challenge. Today's project is a notes application. Create, save and organize their notes in a simple user-friendly interface. It's a practical tool that showcases how we can build real-world application using technologies. Stay tuned for the code detailed explanation and features. Let's continue building and learning together. Come to the HTML part. So the doc type of HTML is declares the document type as HTML5 and sets the language of the document to English. And come to the head tag. Head tag we can use head of the parts. In this head tag we can use meta tag and title and link. There are so many external link of tags we can use in this tags. So in the come to the meta tag is metadata. It's links for the document and the sets the character encoding for the document of UTF-8 and also ensure the web page is responsive and scales appropriately on different devices. And title is the web pages appears in the browser tab in the like this. And also links, link tag we can use external style sheets to link with the another web page to add the colors and different type of features in this tag. Come to the body tag, we can use the main content of the web page and create one head tag to write the, and also I will take one class of heading. It will shows like this in the output. And I will take one paragraph tag to take the class and the web page of the class styling to showing the double click on the node will be remove it when and also I will take one div tag. You can use the informational paragraph with a class for styling, and I will take one class and one id, and also a container div the application and id for JavaScript interaction with I will take one button to class of the id, and I will write one symbol like this. So whenever I click the plus symbol, it will be automatically open the notes. We will write the some text, whatever we want the write, any example of notes we will write in this future. So a button with a plus symbol to add new notes and a style using a class and accessed using id. And whenever we want to remove this note, just click double click on this notes. Automatically alert message will be asking for do you want to delete this note. So just click the ok. It will be automatically removed from your web page. Then after finally come to the JavaScript to interact with the website, and the links an external JavaScript file to add functionality to the web page. So come to the CSS part. Main we can write the using the selector of directory selector is body. So body selector is a margin. I will take the 0 to remove the default margin around the body, and also I will take a background of color. So I will take one linear gradient of left is white, and right is I can use the sky blue color. And also I will take a font family of using cursive. I will take another example also. We will whatever you want the time. We will take Times New Roman and sans serif, different type of fonts, whatever you want the font family you can write as your wish. And also I will take already taking a class of in head section, so this one. So I will write selector of the class dot heading of open the brace, and also I will take the one color of the text note application. So I will write the color is light indigo color. And also text align is I want to browser in the text will be center. And also padding top on the adding padding is the above the heading. And also font size will be 35 pixels to set the font size of the heading. And I will take I already take one class in the info text in the paragraph. So whenever I will write the text, that will be showing in the center of the informational text browser. And I will take one color in the text color indigo. Just I will write the color, it is the indigo color way. And font size will be 18 pixel. And I take already take one id and sorry class of the in the div tag. I will write the display of will be grid to enable of a grid layout for the child elements. To grid template will create the columns to repeat the autofill of the automatically adjust with the 300 pixel wide elements. And also the content will be justified to center of the it can be items will be horizontally going. And also padding will be 50 pixel and the grid of the container. And I already take one note in the div tag. The padding will be 17 pixel to inner padding inside the note box, so like this. And also border radius will be round corner of the radius. And also resize will be we will I will disable the resizing of the node box. And the box shadow is add the subtle of shadow surrounding the node box. And the font size will be 18 pixel. And height will be 200 pixel. And border is none. I didn't take the any type of border in this project. And color will be set the text color to a dark red. And outline will be none. Background will be you can take red, green, blue, alpha. So I will take 255, 255, 255, and 0.7 is the alpha value to semi-transparent white background. So box sizing will be border box to ensure the padding and border or the included the element total size. The transition will be you can use 3 seconds of the ace to transition effect for the hover focus styles. So I will take one class of the placeholder, it is the selector specificity. I will take color of gray, set the color placeholder. So placeholder I will write inside of the notebook, so empty note. So it will be gray color. And also opacity is the 0.5, it is the placeholder text is that semi transparent. And also I will take another one note specificity. And another one child of the class specificity focus of the border border shadow will be. And increase the shadow intensity where hovering the focusing. And also background will be I will take background opacity in the come to the button class. So button class you can define the height will be 200 pixel. And border is I didn't take any type of border in this method. And also border radius is 10% to rounds the button elliptical shape. And also font size will be 70 pixel. Set the font size of a plus symbol. So like this way of the define the plus symbol. And also color will be indigo color. And also cursor is the pointer whenever I go through the in this button, so the cursor will be changed with the hand shape. And also background color will be yellow. And also transition will be 0.3 seconds to the hover style. And final come to the button hover of the specificity to transition of the scale is 1.1 to button over. And also background color will be I will take orange color whenever I go through the button, so it will be changes the tomato red over. And also color will be alias blue in the text color hover. These are the CSS part. And come to the JavaScript part, it is the final one. So I will take one data type is the constant to the create a variable is the btn even. It is the HTML element to document dot. It is the example of create the call the IDs. So get element by ID btn. I already created in the button. So add note by the ID for event handling. I will take another data type constant. And it will be app in the using of document dot get element by ID to the container where nodes will be displayed. And also I will retrieve the nodes from the local storage and data each on the page to write the get nodes. And for each node will be. And also I will take one constant to the node and create node even to call the parameters to node dot id and node dot content. And creates new node using the received node id and content. And also insert the created node element into the application container before the button. And I will take create one function to create a new node for this and id and content. So I will take one data type using of create the nodes and document dot create element of the text area. So creates a new text area element for the node. And also I will call the element dot class list add of the node. And as the node click the text area styling. And also say sets a placeholder text for the node. And also I will the set of the content the node from the provided data using a element dot value equal to content. And also whenever I will remove the in this node, just to click on the double click, the alert will be asking do you want delete this node. To click the OK, it will be automatically remove in this your browser. And they add the event listen to delete the node. And also if warning delete node, whenever click the this the button, the calls will be delete node function if the user confirms. And adds the event listener to handle changes to the node's content to from the input. And also update the node id of element value to the local storage updates. And also I will return the element from the created node element. And I will take delete function to delete the nodes. The function delete node of parameters is id and elements. So it is the filters out the with the specified id from the nodes array to the get nodes. And filter of the nodes to the node dot id not equal to id. So save nodes will be save the updated nodes array to the local storage. And removes the node element from the application container. And also function, I will take the another function to update the node to retrieve the all nodes from the local storage, and also finds the node with the matching id, and the updates the node content to the uh, content, and saves the update node to array to the local storage. And also I will take another function to adding a new node of the data type will be nodes, and also get the nodes to calling the function name in the above of the lines. So I will take another data type constant to the node objects to I will write the one match dot floor to the random into uh, 10,000 of the generates the random unique ID for the new nodes. Whatever, just click on the nodes you want when how much there are infinity type of nodes it will be available in this project, and also initialize the nodes will be empty content, and constant will be node even to create node 1 parameters of node objects id and node objects of content, and app event to insert before of the inserts the new node to the application container before the button, and also to add the new node object to the nodes array to the save the updated nodes array to local storage, and to save node of the local storage of the call the array json string, and the stores the local storage to functions retrieve from the local storage to final one get the nodes. So function can be create the function name get nodes to return the json paths to array local storage. In the initialization of the empty array to the nodes will be existed. So finally calling from the to click the button, it will be single click one, it is the single click, just click the button, it will be automatically adds the event listener. So in the adding of the new node will be clicked. So finally thanks for the watching for this project. Thank you.